And there he is. I think. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna start Old Faithful up here. He wants to drag it with a chain and this gator here. What are you thinking?
Well, you get in here and drive it slow.
Okay.
And
You got a winch on that? No.
no, I don't want to. Yeah, you grab it slow. We'll just get out here. I'll turn it, get it turned around, and we'll just go right up on it. I'll try to keep the screws apart.
Okay.
Ready?
don't want it back any further?
No, because we're on there crooked. It's gonna.
Oh. And away my baby goes. Bye-bye Gator. Back in the glory days. Man. Let's relive these days, shall we? Oh, these are still the original tires. Still the original tires. Yeah. I can't complain. This thing won't be seeing new tires in my lifetime because I don't ride it all that much. See what it started any easier now I left it run for an hour. Oh yeah. Just letting the loader warm up before I go and put hay out. Dad don't like it when I run the engine 3/4 throttle when it's cold out, but helps the thing to get warm faster. At least I think it does anyhow. Boy, it looks like something funny is gonna happen over to my left over there. Huh. I could have done a little bit better job right here at this corner. But you know what that was from? That was from the other day when it was smeary out and I went to go turn with the loader and it made that nice little indent right there in the ground. But the rest of it didn't turn out too darn bad. I'm pleased with myself. You know, practice makes perfect. Or something along those lines anyhow. I don't know what the heck's happening up there, but at least when I pulled that bale or the yeah the wrap off of the hay, it drug that out enough to where I wouldn't be making me trip over it all the time with the loader. What the heck. Might as well just put you guys up here, right? Right. Now, it would make perfect sense that, well, I already have the loader out to put 2 bales of hay down the bottom barn, which I already did, to come up here and put another bale, dump another bale in this rack while I already had the loader out, versus, you know, starting the loader up tomorrow to just dump 1 bale of hay out versus, and then not have to worry about dumping hay out below. It would just make sense, wouldn't it? Just like down here, it would make sense to swat the ruts around, wouldn't it? So if it freezes, you don't gotta trip over 1,000 umpteen ruts and all that, right? Right, I think. I mean, I could have done a little bit better job here, but I'm learning. I don't know what to do about this mess here. We tried to get our concrete guy to pour a curb here, but you know, I don't know if he just didn't want to or what. But yeah, they piss here and make a mess, and I get aggravated because I forget about it in the dark and walk right through it, and just, yeah, I'm half tempted to put gravel in here, but I don't know. I might just get some dirt or rake some dirt up around here and yeah, let me see what that looks like once here. I mean, I guess that worked, but it didn't work like I wanted it to. Yeah, I got some high spots in this, but the main thing that I wanted to do was fill that in down there, and it didn't work like I wanted it to. It's still gonna be screwy right there. Yeah, I could dig it out, backhoe, dig it out, but I don't know where the electric line runs and everything. You know what? Speak of the devil. It runs up there. But I don't think Dad would be very appreciative of me digging that up to just clean the smear up. I might bring some dirt over if my gator comes home anytime soon. I think I'll use no, I don't want bank run. Fill dirt. That's got, well, I don't know, fill dirt might be the option. Just run some fill dirt across here. The topsoil would turn to mud once it got wet. So I think that's what I'll do. Well, the old four-wheeler, at least it'll be better than anything. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.